Here's how to remove a can bottle steel tray. After powering off, remove the harness from the retainer and the connector. Then remove the 6 screws that secure the tray to the rails on both sides. Then lift up on the tray and pull it out like so. You may need to move trays up and down to accommodate taller products. After the tray is removed, you can reposition the rail. Using tape can be helpful to mark the front and back of the rails so that it is level in its new position. You'll need to remove 2 screws in the front and unhook the back to reposition each rail. The front and back must be moved the same distance to keep the tray properly level. Then secure the rail with the screws and latch in proper position. The Vend elevator uses sensors at each tray so the elevator stops at the right spot. When you move the tray, you'll also need to move the magnets so the elevator stops at the correct position in relation to the tray. Remove the magnet and then the screw. Match the screw and magnets to the position you want the tray to stop depending on the product.